Yeah.
Yeah.
We climbed all the way up here from our house. And we have no idea where we're going, but it's up. And it's quite beautiful, and I can't believe we've lived here for over 15 years, and we're just now discovering this trail literally in our backyard. Well, I'm in my car. I actually drove somewhere for the first time in many days. We ordered a burger lounge and I'm picking it up now. And I'm here, and Ulta, in front of Ulta, it's closed. Starbucks is closed. FedEx office is closed. Everything around me here is closed. But Burger Lounge is open. So I'm going to call them and they're gonna bring my food out to my car. You like my Game of Thrones mask? Pretty cool, right?
Hello, it's April 20th, 420 for all you crazy kids out there. And my mind, after 25 years in finance, has officially been blown because for the first time ever, contract for the near-term contract for crude oil finished below zero, a negative value, and not just barely below zero, but negative 26 and 44 cents on the day. Crazy.
John's setting up a Zoom meeting because we just dropped off to all the other Eagles too.
Awesome. Tonight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Around 7.
All right. Awesome.
Hi, this is Nova. He's a great horned owl. He's a long-term resident of our zoo. Nova is the type of animal that does social distance because he's a raptor, he's a bird of prey. So they do.
this is a funny thing. At Costco today, like, you know, the beer section is what it is, but then out on the end cap, they had a whole big thing of Corona, a big Corona.
Untouched.
On the end cap. But like right there on the aisle, so you can
Did you buy it? We have some.
No, I.
Uh-oh, David Cobb.
Yay, we're out of the house. Woo!